Hello students, good afternoon to all of you. Today I am going to teach you the poem Rebel. The poem Rebel has been composed by DJ Enright. First I will tell you the summary of the poem. The poem tells the nature of a rebel who does just opposite of what others do. The poet tells that it is dangerous, but at the same time it is good because it is rebel who comes with the new ideas. Now I will teach you the poem line to line. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody wants to keep short hair, rebel wants to keep long hair. As I told you in the summary, the rebel wants to do the opposite, what others want. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When every person wants to keep long hair, the rebel wants to cut his hair short. Next line. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When everybody wants to talk during the lesson, rebel does not want to speak even a single word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When nobody wants to talk during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance by talking or by doing some mischievous activities. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses a fantastic clothes. When everybody wears uniform, the rebel wears gorgeous clothes. Fantastic means here gorgeous. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. Soberly means simple. When everybody wants to wear fantastic clothes, the rebel wants to wear simple clothes. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. When every person wants to have dogs as pets, the rebel expresses his preference for cats. It means rebel wants to have cats as pets. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When every person wants to have cat as pet, the rebel likes to have dogs as pets. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on need for rain. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel wants some rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody is welcoming the rain, it means everybody wants rain. The rebel feels sorry for the sun. It means he wants the sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody has gone to attend the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home, and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody is staying at home and reading a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. You can explain it yourself. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. You can also explain these two lines yourself. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. It is very good that we have rebels. It is also good that we have rebels, because rebel can think individually. He does not go with a group of the persons who think the same. It means he goes opposite to the person who are thinking the same. You may not find it very good to be one, but you would not like to be a rebel, as a rebel is criticized by the society. Students, this is the explanation of this poem. Now I am going to discuss the question answer of the poem with you. First part of question number 1. If someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? Answer of this question: if someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, the teacher will scold him. Scold means fatkana. Second part of question number 1. When everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel wants most? When everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wants the rain most. Third part of question number 1. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have? If the rebel has a dog for a pet, everyone else is likely to have a cat. Question number first, fourth part. Why is it good to have rebels? It is good to have rebels because they are different and they teach us to be able to accept and tolerate differences. Fifth part of question number 1. Why is it not good to be a rebel oneself? It is not good to be a rebel oneself because the society never accepts a rebel and criticizes his behavior. Sixth part of question number 1. Would you like to be a rebel? If yes, why? If not, why not? Yes, I would like to be a rebel because a rebel is able to think individually rather than following the group mentality. However, it is not easy to be a rebel as the society criticizes him. Now question number 2. Find in the poem an antonym, a word opposite in meaning for each of the following words. First, long, short, grow, cut, quietness, disturbance, sober, fantastic, lost, found. Now question number 3. Find in the poem lines that match the following. Read both one after the other. Student, for the answer of this question, you have to match the line finding from the poem. I think that you will be able to do the answer of this question yourself. Thank you.